Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. In today's cooking tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make delicious chicken kebabs. So join me and let's get started on how I make this. So what I've done is I've blitzed 2 medium-sized onions in here with a bunch of coriander and some green chilies. I'm going to add in some garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a tablespoon of garlic paste. Add some chili flakes and give that a good mix. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of zira powder and shan tikka kebab masala into here and give that a good mix. Mix that all together so the mixture is nicely combined. I've also added some black pepper into here. I'm going to give that a good mix, and then once the mixture is ready I'm going to shape them into small round kebabs and then shallow fry that until they are a golden crispy brown colour. I'm now going to shallow fry these on low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes, and once they're a nice crispy brown colour you can take them out and they are ready to eat. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, and stay tuned for my upcoming recipes.